there's a lightning bug behind Daddy.
Oh, it's in Daddy's hair.
Oh, it landed on Daddy's leg.
Olive, look at that.
You have a pet cicada and a pet lightning bug now. Where are they going?
This guy's really jerking.
Should we move him over to a tree, Olive, so he can hatch? Well, not hatch, but shed. Molt. Yeah, it's a cicada. It's a cicada. It's a cicada. He's looking for a tree to climb up. Should we pick him up and put him on a tree? Yeah. Should we put him on a tree? You want to help me put him on a tree? Okay, you ready?
There he goes.
Do you want to come see him on the tree? Come look at him on the tree, babe. Yeah?
Fireflies.